Alright, yo, what is up guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, we are back at it again with another video here on Snapcraft, and in today's video, we are back at it again on the prison realm, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some different stuff. We're going to start off today's video by doing some gambling on this server, and then we're going to do some other stuff like that, so hopefully you guys will enjoy today's video. If you guys do, make sure you guys drop a like on today's video. Let's go for 60 likes, as always. Also, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel, as I am trying to go ahead and hit 5K subs by the end of 2021, and I know I could definitely hit it, so make sure you guys do smash that subscribe button. Also, make sure you guys comment something nice down below, and come play the server with me. Snapcraft.net is the IP, and I am going to be uploading on here more, so make sure that you guys come play with me. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by hopping on, wrong server, we're going to hop on prison, and we are going to check this out. Okay, so, we can see this is basically the jackpot machine. We're going to actually spin and see if we could win. There's no way that we just won the jackpot first try. What the heck? Oh my gosh, guys. We just won the jackpot first try. It's 5 emeralds to win, and we just won. Holy crap. That is insane. Well, guys, we just won 100 million. We went from 11 mil to 100 mil, and we only spent 50K. So 50K to 100 million, that is insane, guys. Wow. So that's actually pretty crazy. I wonder if I have good luck with this, or if I have it with everything. Let's actually hit this one more time. Let's see. Oh, yep, we didn't win. Okay. Anyways, so of course we didn't win that time, but that's actually really crazy that that actually happened. And yeah, so as you guys can see, what is this? Wow. Okay. Well, it looks like you could sit there if it's nighttime. That's pretty cool. Anyways, so that's actually really crazy. That's probably gonna end up being the title. So that's actually crazy, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try out this one now. Let's see. 3 redstone to lose, 10%. 3 emerald, or, okay, 3 iron to play even. 3 diamond to win. Okay. What the? Wait, what? Okay. What the heck? That was kind of weird. Wow. So, let's see. Let's do this one. What the heck? Are you kidding? Oh my gosh, dude. What the heck? That is insane, guys. Wow, what? Sorry, guys, I cut that out. That's crazy. What the heck? I can't believe I just won that. Alright, guys, we're gonna try it again one more time because we won. Dude, again! Again, you're joking. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. There's no way. One more time, one more time. One more time. Oh, I didn't win. Nice. That's crazy. Wow. That's like insane. Holy crap. Alright guys, I'm assuming I was just really lucky then. So let's spin this, and okay. Wow. Not good at all. I guess I just got really lucky before. That was actually, kind of crazy. Yeah, so that sucks, but okay, yeah, that sucks that we're losing now, but that was actually insane how we just did that. That was actually crazy. Wow. So, that was actually pretty cool. What the heck is that? Anyways, I guess I'm not gonna end up winning anytime soon, so, yeah. Alright, guys, after that insane luck, I think we want to go mining. So, let's go, such warp. Let's go to warp Y. That's actually kind of crazy, though. There are actually 3 prestiges, and then you get to the free world. So I want to grind for that because we're already on Y right now. And wow, I just got 250 tokens. Wow, okay, my pickaxe is super stacked right now, apparently, or something, which is actually kind of crazy. So wow, we actually have almost 7,000 blocks mined too. So we're actually doing really, really good right now. Let's see, how much is it to rank up? It is 933.962 million, sorry. That's actually a lot, so yeah, we're gonna have to just continue grinding, I guess, if we want to get to there, because it's gonna take a bit of time to do that, pretty much. Alright guys, so there actually just was a vote party, so I'm gonna go check that out, such spawn, And basically, okay, well, what's this guy doing? There was a vote party, so I got a vote crate, and we haven't really made a whole lot of progress, but okay, we just got a repair token. So basically, right now we are just focusing on kind of just getting all this stuff done. So let's do such warp, and let's go back to or Y actually, and we're basically just going to grind and try and get as good of stuff as we possibly can to pretty much just try and rank up as fast as possible. Also, guys, I am pre-recording all of these videos because I am trying to work on getting basically all my videos pre-recorded so that I have pretty much more free time. As the days that I don't really have much going on, I have time to record as many videos as I want. So this video is actually being recorded on the 2nd of August, so that's actually pretty good. So yeah, you guys will see this video probably in about a week from then or so, or maybe just a few days. So yeah, hello to the future. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back after I do some grinding, but pretty much I just want to continue grinding for right now. And I'm trying to save up 4,800 tokens so that I could purchase one of the enchants on my pickaxe. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing this until I'm able to go ahead and purchase that enchant. And I'll bring you guys back whenever I can. Alright guys, so I do have a common crate to open right now, so we're going to go ahead and open that real quick. Let's open up the common crate, 1 diamond X. Okay, that's not really that good. Let's do such warp Y, and let's go back. Let's sell. Alright, nice. So basically, we're pretty far away still. I'm just going to continue mining, and we might even check out something else. Also, if I scroll up, they are doing a giveaway somewhere. Also, if you guys are the top 5 voters, you get a $20 voucher. If you guys do look up here somewhere, where is it at? Let me find the rainbow right here. Boom. 20 euro store voucher giveaway on their Twitter. So make sure that you guys go check that out. The link will not be in the description probably because I'm assuming I'm going to end up forgetting. So it will basically, you guys could just join the server or search up Snapcraft on Twitter if you guys do want to enter that giveaway. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back with another update soon. I just wanted to let you guys know of that little bit of information. Alright guys, so we're getting pretty close to the end of the video actually. We are only a couple minutes off, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to the spawn. We're going to open up this common key first of all, so we're going to go ahead and pop that. 8 cooked rabbit. Why in the world would I want that? Anyways, so basically we are going to, okay, what is this? What? Okay, anyways, the PvP mine is right here, and these people are probably going to kill me if I go out there, so probably not a good idea to go out there. But I'm going to go ahead and put away my stuff, and I'm going to get something a little bit worse. Something that's not really the best to go out there. Alright, let's see. How good is this mine really even? It's not even good. Yeah, this stuff isn't even good. Anyways, let me get out of here because I don't want to be in here anymore. Goodbye. That stuff's not even that good. So, forget that. And yeah, I think we're pretty close to ending off the video. Alright guys, so we are actually going to go ahead and end off today's video here on Snapcraft right here. If you guys didn't enjoy today's video, first of all, this was a pretty good video as I did do a lot of gambling and I made so much money. It was actually really crazy. I'm really surprised that I actually did that. So that was actually really cool. And yeah, what is this? Anyways, so basically I am going to go ahead and end off today's video. The next video will be the last prison video, and then we're going to be moving on to skyblock after that. So, if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure, or if you guys did end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video. Consider subscribing, as I am trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, and I definitely think that we could hit it. So make sure that you guys do that to support me. Also, make sure that you guys do come play the server with me, snapcraft.net. Comment something nice down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video, of course. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. And, yeah, until then, peace out.